because this year I want to film more vlogs, and beside of my beauty videos about hair care, homemade skincare or other hair care homemade recipes, I want just to incorporate more vlogs. So I will be glad to read your comments in the comment section down below. What is your opinion about vlogs, if you like my vlogs and day by day with me. So in the weekend, today is Thursday, and from Friday or Saturday they announce a lot of snow and wind, so maybe we'll have a full chapter of winter in the weekend. So now I just enjoy this nice weather. Beside of this, guys, we have a very nice weather, some windy weather, but we have 11 degrees, so it's a very chill day and sunny day before the storm, the snowstorm that will arrive in weekend. So these are my new nails. I choose a natural color, and I guess it goes very well. It has a little bit of sparkle like you see in the sun, and I enjoy this color so much after so much red in this Christmas season. So it's a very nice day. I just arrived at the mall, and I just want to enjoy a little bit the nice weather. So I want this bronzer from Stila. It has this from Dr. Irena Eris. I have their powder, and it's very nice. This is the shade, and I will choose this. Also they have very nice highlight, so nice highlighter, but it's very sparkle. So nice this corner of Sephora, and their store also. So I wanted a smoothie from Starbucks, but they didn't have. My hair is going crazy, and I took a nice water. Now let's see what sales are in Sephora store. Some sales on perfumes. They also have this Aveda Nourish shampoo and botanical shampoo. I was using something like this from Origins, but now are on full price, so I will wait the sales. So they are on huge sale on Innisfree hydrating cleansing foam, and also on this cream, which I will buy. It has a very nice price. So I bought these two, the cream and the cleanser. They have a huge amount of product on sale at a very good price. So it's a very nice period just to buy what you need on very low price. But now I just bought this cream and this cleanser, two at price of one, and this mask for purple mask for hair. So there was a mistake. The cream wasn't so cheap, two at price at one price, but also was on sale, and I bought the cream. Tonight I will use the mask for my hair because it is my wash day, so I'm so anxious to see how it works. I will keep you updated, and I will tell you in a future video about my hair mask and my skin product. First of all, I was searching for a bronzer in this last period of time, so I found this Dr. Irena Aries. I don't think you can see very well, but I will open the box and I will show you better. It has a very nice color. All their products are shiny, and my camera didn't focus so well. So this is the bronzer that I have bought from Dr. Irena Aries. It has this very nice color, very nice shade, this mosaic style. I will make a video of my makeup using this. It has a very nice sparkle, and it is very nice. I was searching for a while this type of product. So this bronzer I have bought. I received this sample from Giseda Parfum, and from Sephora I found at sale a lot of products. So first of all is this green tea hydrating amino acid cleansing foam from Innisfree. It has been at half of price. And also I did bought their cream, green tea seed with hyaluronic acid cream. It is made in Korea. It is a Korean brand. This is for hydrate and glow, and I needed a hydrating cream in this winter period of time. I was testing this cream in the store, and I was enjoying a lot their texture. It comes in these tiny packages, and it has a very light formula. I will open now. I didn't try till now their product, so I am excited to try new skincare product. It has a very lightweight formula. This is their texture. Very lightweight. So I will start using this cream, and I will post a new video about my opinion after I have been using a while. From Sephora also I received this Guerlain perfume sample. And also at sale I found, I didn't want to buy anything for the hair, but I didn't resist. It was on sale, and I have half of my Oligo Purple mask, and I wanted to try this Christoph Robin Purple mask. It is made for blonde hair to reduce brassy and yellow tones. So tonight I will wash my hair because it is greasier now, and I will try this mask. It has 250 milliliters for blonde hair, and it looks like this. A purple mask will enhance my color and will reduce my brassiness. So this is what I bought for cosmetic product. I'm so happy that I found a lot of product on sale. So I encourage you, if you want to spend some money and you need a lot of product, maybe cosmetics, maybe for skincare, hair care, I don't know, check out the Sephora sales. You will find some interesting product at sales, and why you should buy it on whole price if you find it on sale. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification button just to see my new videos when I post it. I post every Monday and Friday. Till next time, bye bye guys.